So this is going to be a very short session. So we have already seen this, like select star from employee, right? But we never discussed in detail, like what exactly is this select and why we are using select, correct? So select is basically, as the name suggests, we are selecting something, right? So you have a table, and from this table, you can select some data, which means you can retrieve some data. If you and for that, you use a select statement. So when I say select, I specify, yes, I'm selecting. The next is what you want to select, right? So select, then what you want to select. And from where you want to select. So this particular statement says, hey, I am selecting from this table. What I'm selecting? Star. So star basically means everything. Okay, select everything from the this table. So when I execute this, it basically selects whatever there is in this table. At this point, this table has some 8 records. So all those records are being selected here. All the columns are being selected. But if you want to select certain columns, so let's say I'll remove this star and then I'll say I only want to select employee ID. So now what I can do is I can say employee ID, right? And then if I execute this, I will only get employee ID, right? See, I'm selecting what I'm selecting only employee ID from where I'm selecting employee table. So I'm only selecting employee ID. Now, if you want more than one columns, you have to separate with comma. So here I'm selecting employee ID, comma, employee name. So it is giving employee ID, comma, employee name. You can also select, you can do the selection like I can select employee ID first. I want to display employee ID first. Then I want to display I want to display employee name first, then I want to display employee ID. So that also you can do. So here you can see employee name is selected first and then employee ID. So this is a very basic session. So I just wanted you to understand what is select, right? Why we are doing select. And we will develop some complex queries using select because there are a lot of use cases with select, which we will see in the upcoming sessions. So I hope this short session you are able to understand the importance of select, and we will do more of selects with more complexity in our upcoming sessions.